I purchased this GoPop JLab brand wireless earbuds a month ago, and here is what I can say. So basically, it's an Amazon purchase, right? So on the description, it did say it has a long battery life, and I can attest to it since I've used it, and I didn't have to charge over and over. So comparing to the Apple AirPod, I was able to use this longer. So the long battery life claim is I can attest that it's true, and then it's dual connect, so you can use it for just listening to music, and or your calls. So it as soon as you've paired it to any of your phones, it works with iPhone and Android Galaxy too. So Samsung Galaxy too. So if you're thinking about that, plus it's affordable. And then next, it's smaller fit. Yes, it is 15% smaller fit. It's smaller than a credit card. It's really also nice because the charger does not get separated. So the charger is fully attached. So the charger is fully attached on this one. And basically you don't have to worry about losing that cord, which is great. So the next feature is it's the sound touch controls. So you can tap the earbuds when you want to change the sound or turn it up or down. And that's actually a cool feature. And with the sound itself, it's actually loud. It's really loud, and it has good quality for the price too. And here's a quick view of the reviews that is has gotten so far in Amazon.com. It's close to 5 stars right now. It's 4.5 stars. But basically, I agree with them. The sound is crisp. It's small. Charges hold up. Again, I have an iPod, AirPod, and for some reason that one keeps losing its charge when I'm not using it. And this one I haven't experienced losing the charge when I'm not using it. So it keeps its charge when you're not using it.